lemonade river flowing sweet, yellow waves lapping at his feet. Quack, quack, he took a seat. This river's made for ducks to meet. Quack, quack, lemony stream, it's like a fizzy yellow dream. Quack, quack, bubbles so bright, flowing through the day and night. The river sparkled in the sun. Fluffy Duck thought this is fun. Quack, quack, he took a sip. From the river, a zesty trip. Quack, quack, lemon delight, everything here feels just right. Quack, quack, splash and play, in the lemonade river we'll stay. A duckling friend came floating by.